Now, the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
Heavy showers and thunderstorms this morning with a big storm system that will eventually impact the mid-Atlantic states. It is going to be a blockbuster snowstorm. The tail end of it here is the front that's rolling through. We got the severe thunderstorm watch expiring through the afternoon as things begin to wind down. We did have a warning earlier for Pinellas County. All of it's now racing off to the south and east. So why is there still green by the time we get into the overnight hours of Saturday? Well, that's a strong wind coming in off the Gulf. It's cold air. It's picking up the moisture off of the Gulf and depositing it here in the form of clouds and even some showers with very strong winds as we enter tonight and into the early part of tomorrow.
He did a good job explaining why the rain was coming.
Of course, Gasparilla for the kids on Saturday. I think by the time we get into 3, parade starts at 3:30, we'll be in pretty good shape as far as the rainfall. It should have dried out, but the winds are still going to be an issue and the temperatures are going to be cold. And that combination is going to make it feel like it's in the 40s through the afternoon. So keep that in mind. We've been talking about that the last couple of days. So where's the storm going after it leaves us? Heads up to the north and east. Again, it's already snowing, and it is going to just get worse as we head through later today. And this continues into a Saturday. Quite a blizzard. This is actually a blizzard, which means that we're talking about winds along with some heavy snowfall. Although you don't really need the heavy snow to get the blizzard warnings. It's all about visibility and how strong the winds are blowing here, and we are certainly going to get that from portions of DC.
It was a great explanation of what a blizzard warning means. This really lets the people know what weather conditions are like.
Philadelphia as well, all in the blizzard warning. The huge pink area you see there, that is a big real estate as far as the area for winter storm warnings. That just means that they're going to have to deal with heavy snow, not so much the wind there across inland sections. The coastal low is really getting going now across the eastern seaboard. So there it is, upwards of 2 feet. I would not be surprised some of the suburbs up across DC get closer to 3 feet of snowfall. Incredible stuff. So for us, again, upper 60s, things winding down. In fact, if you have outdoor plans tonight, the issue not so much the rainfall, it's going to be the very gusty winds and the falling temperatures. It is going to be very cold, so certainly keep that in mind as we wake up tomorrow.
This is really good. The meteorologist tells people exactly what to expect, which is what many people watch the weather forecast to find out.
And it's going to feel even colder because the wind's really going to start going to continue basically very gusty through the day. Take a look at this, 5 to 7 foot seas. That's going to go to 11 to 14. No boating. I don't care how big your boat is heading into a Saturday. You should really avoid the water. It's going to be trouble there.
It's really nice that he tells people that they cannot go out on a boat. That's why people will know ahead of time, like before they go out on the water, that it is not a good idea to go boating.
With very gusty winds, sustained 20 to 25. It could have gusts upwards of 35 miles an hour, so that's going to be an issue. Morning showers, and then we clear out through the afternoon, staying breezy. Sunday looks better, still cool, certainly cold in the morning, but the winds begin to subside as that nor'easter pulls up to the north, and so we'll begin to relax the winds. And then, by the way, heading into early next week, guess what? Temperatures moderating again, back into the 70s, and then we'll watch the next storm system rolling through by Wednesday.
He did a good job of explaining that there was supposed to be a storm coming in the upcoming week. And overall, I think that this is a really good weather forecast.